So hi guys, we will be solving quadratic equation by factoring method. Okay, so let us have number 1. Okay, this one is factorable. So the first thing to consider ay kung meron silang common factor or meron silang common monomial factor. So in this one, we have x squared and 2x. What will be the common factor? We will have x. Okay, so we will bring out that common factor x. Okay, for our next factor, we will divide these terms, okay, by our common factor. So divided by x, we will have x squared divided by x, that will be x, and 2x divided by x, so matatanggal na po yan, matitira ay 2. Okay, so we will have plus, okay, equal to 0. So for our first root or first solution, okay, we will have, so x, takpan ko isang factor natin, x will be equal to 0. For our next root or solution, takpan ko naman to, so we will have x plus 2 equals 0. So gawin na lang natin si positive 2, transpose natin sa kabila, from positive magiging negative 2. Okay, so let us have example number 2. X squared minus 64 equals 0. So dito, so tingnan natin kung may common factor si x squared at 64. Okay, so wala tayong common factor. So next to consider ay kung ito ay isang, okay, so yung first term natin ay perfect square. And our second term is a perfect square. Okay, so ang operation natin sa gitna nila ay minus or subtraction tayo. So we will have the difference of two squares. Okay, kapag meron tayong x square minus y square, so yung magiging factors natin dyan, okay, so parehas ng ating, okay, square root na ating first term, and then square root ng ating last term. Okay, so pinagkaiba lang nila, ito plus, ito ay minus. Okay, so next, how about this one? So this one is a perfect square, this one is a perfect square, okay, and this is minus. Okay, so gawin natin, factor out natin, ito yung format natin, equal to 0. So square root of the first term, square root of x square, magiging x. Okay, so magiging x. Okay, next one, square root ng ating second term, square root of 64, that will be equal to 8. Okay, so ito ay magiging 8. So yung isa plus, yung isa minus. Okay, for our solution, so x sub 1, so takpan ko yung isa. So from positive 8, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 8. Okay, the other one is, okay, from negative 8, ilipat natin sa kabila, that will give you a positive 8. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so for our, okay, for your turn, okay, you can try this.